What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna. I'm excited about today's video because I am installing a different kind of wig, a pre-styled wig, if you can tell by the thumbnail. But this hair that I'm installing is from Westkiss. All the information, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is an 18-inch curly wig, right? But not only is it just 18 inches and curly, but they have completely pre-styled it for you. So the front comes with like this braid here, really cute, especially like for spring break. And then they style it, they have your baby hair. The lace is pre-cut. This is a 5x5 closure, so the lace is pre-cut. It's also pre-bleached. It is on a dome cap and it has a single comb in the back and then 2 combs on the sides, and it also comes with an adjustable strap with the non-slip grip right here. And so this is what the wig in itself looks like. I'll have the density floating across the screen because of course I don't know off the top of my head, sorry y'all. But before I get into the video, I'm just going to show you what came in the box. So it comes with a red bonnet, a wig cap, you get an edge brush, some lashes, a band that says Westkiss on it, and a dust bag because that's very important. So if you want to see me install this wig, you got to keep on watching. If I'm going to be doing a wig cap with this or not, but lately I have not been doing wig caps with my installs. So honestly, I'm not even going to waste my time and nobody else's time by even pretending that I'm putting one on, because I'm not. I'm just going to take this off. My hair is in these same crazy braids that it was in the past couple videos. Sorry. So I'm just going to take my edge brush and my gel. I don't even have any more child, I don't even have any more edge booster, no more edge wax. I done used all that up. I gotta go to the beauty supply store. So right now I'm using gel, and gel don't even work for my hair for real, but we working on a hope and a prayer. So I'm just sliding back my edges like this. So the way the wig is set up, it's already blending really well into my skin, as you can see. So I'm not even going to put any makeup on the lace at all. I'm just gonna slide it on so which you can see what it looks like right out the box. So. Okay. The only hardest part about installing wigs without a wig cap is that you have to fight to keep your hair like in place, because it's essentially nothing keeping it in place. But okay, so wow, this lace just disappeared immediately and all I did was slide it on. So this is what it's looking like. This braid right here is really cute. So this is what this is looking like. And of course I'm gonna spruce up the curls, but this is really cute. And look how this lace blends like immediately. Like I literally had to do absolutely nothing. This is what the back looks like. And the sides. And get into this color, y'all. It's like a really cute brown auburnish color. So this is really cute. It is looking promising. I didn't co-wash it or nothing. This is what it looks like. So this is really cute. All right, so I'm just gonna fix up the hair a little bit just to more so like style it and fit my face. So it already comes with a little bit of pre-cut baby hairs right here, but I'm going to like extend this just a little bit in the front so that all of this can be the baby hairs. And so I'm just gonna cut just a little bit more, not too much though. Cut it like that. And then I'm gonna curl these. And then I'm just using my gel and I'm gonna swoop my edges. That's a decent amount of baby hairs, honestly. It's really all you need. All right, and while that's sitting, I'm just gonna go and define my curls per usual. I'm just using some water and I'm gonna use this brush here. So I'm just gonna separate it into small sections because this hair is pretty thick. and just spray the water in it. I feel like I do need a little bit of mousse. I'm using my Fuji mousse, and I'm just gonna put that on the hair. I feel like it's gonna help better define the curls than just water alone. Do that. Yeah, there we go. It definitely needs some mousse, y'all. All right, and now to help define the curls a little more, I'm just going to diffuse them. I always diffuse my hair on cold air and just take my little diffuser tip to help dry and diffuse them. All right, and then now I'm just taking my hot comb. I don't know where my spray is, y'all, because like I said, I'm moving and everything packed away, but I'm just gonna take my hot comb by itself and just straighten out the front like this. It already has hairspray on it, by the way. Like the way it came is it already came like with this kind of like bumped or whatever, like pushed back, but I'm just doing it some more since, you know, it's been in packaging and all of that, so yeah. Plus I hadn't really determined if I want it flat or if I want it poofy, and I feel like I don't know, I hate having it flat and curly hair. That always bothers me, like, but whatever. Let me take this off. It says 18 inches. It's giving like a bob, kind of like a longer curly bob. Also, if you ever like, if these braids aren't your thing, you could always like unravel them if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it in here for the sake of the video. So the hairstyle is pretty much done. I think I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut some of these curls to make it more even, like that. And do some over here. There we go. And I think I'd rather have the hair more poofier than like flat ironed, so just gonna fluff it out on the sides. I just don't want it to get frizzy. So I am gonna let this hair dry a little bit more because I want more of the curlier look than, yeah, I just wanted to, you know, get that curly look. What the fuck is going on back here? This hair requires quite a bit of mousse to like tame the curls. So make sure you have some mousse handy. And I was gonna do it without mousse, but no. You definitely need some like mousse to help define these curls, because you saw how the wig originally came. It came like pretty poofy. So if you want more tamed curls, you're gonna need some mousse. Okay, so as the hair dries, the more I like it. I like it better when it's like poofy, especially with this kind of style. The last thing I'm gonna do is just put some of this gloss spray on here from a Fuji, just to bring some like shine to the curls. Like this. What I like about this hair is that I don't even have to put any like makeup on the lace to like blend it. Cause it's already blending. Like there's literally nothing more I can do to blend this hair. Like look at this hairline. Like it blends so well, and I really love this color. It's really cute. So when I was combing out the hair, I got this much shedding, but that's because I was, you know, combing through the hair, which actually isn't that bad, honestly. And when I combed through it again, I wasn't getting much shedding. So that is just like the initial comb out. So if you get anything like that, don't be alarmed. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the back again. This is just like a cute little fun style for spring. It has the cute curls, got little baby hairs right here, and two little cute braids. If you want to braid these all the way down, you can, but I'm gonna leave them like this so it can blend into the hair. And yes, this is so cute. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.